Truckers, mount up. Marcus Lewis with the Trucking Report, powered by the late Boomer Trucking Network. Let's dive into this news in trucking today. Oregon lawmakers have gathered in a special session to tackle a massive $350 million transportation funding gap that threatens ODOT jobs and road maintenance. The governor's package proposes raising the gas tax by 6 cents a gallon, raising titles and registration fees, charging EV surcharges, and doubling payroll taxes for transit, aiming to raise roughly $5.8 billion over the next decade. But truckers, we see it differently. The governor is punishing drivers by raising fuel taxes to cover her fare to protect ODOT jobs and balance the budget. Now, trucking companies face a double hit, still paying the weight mile tax while also paying diesel taxes at the pump. And many are asking, when will government officials stop punishing truckers for their own budget failures? Here's a question for truckers. Would you still go to Oregon with the added fees coming up? Tell me in the comments below. Are you ready to stay ahead like the top truckers? Click the link in the bio to join the Late Boomer Trucking Club to get the edge. That's it for this Trucker Report. I'm Marcus Lewis. As always, truckers, keep your head on the swivel, stay safe, stay sharp, and let's make trucking great again.